Hey guys, so today I thought I'd show you guys how I put in my rook piercing. Because it is such a difficult piercing to put in, I actually use pliers, make sure to witch hazel everything I use, and put my earring back in. But it fell out the other day, so I thought I'd film it for you guys so that I can just show you. It's pretty simple how to do it. Just need like straight pliers, straight ones like this, because it really helps to hold the little balls. And witch hazel, any kind. I have both like the off-brand and I have the regular brand, but like any kind will work. And just Q-tips, which I used to sanitize everything. Sanitize the plier, sanitize the earring, and sanitize inside of your ear. And this is how it is right now, as you can see. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys this video, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope it helps out some of you guys who are trying to change that piercing, because it has always been one of the most difficult piercings to change. All right, guys, so if you want to see how I change it, just continue to watch. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Hey guys, so we're going to start off by just making sure that we sanitize our inside of our ear, just because sometimes when that piercing sits in there for a little while, it's not as clean as we want. So I'm just going to use a Q-tip, and I'm going to put some witch hazel on it, and just make sure to clean on the top and inside, making sure to get it very, very clean. Once I'm done with that, I'm just going to take the earring and I'm going to clean it off with some witch hazel as well, just to make sure that the earring is actually sanitized. And then I'm going to clean off the pliers just before I use them, just so we don't get any extra anything inside of our ear, because that would be really bad. And then I'm going to take the ring and I'm going to put it inside my ear and just push it downward so the top ball is already installed, and now I just have to put in the bottom. I put the little ball inside of the plier, and then make sure that the hole is at the top of the plier. This just makes it easier, and you really have to make sure to hold it very, very tight. And then once you do that, it should be pretty simple to just put it at the end. And I try to twist it at least around twice so that I can know it's locked in. And then I'll go in with my fingers and just tighten it a lot more. Makes it so much easier to just get the piercing in. And then I'll go in with my pliers one more time and just twist it around, once again making sure that I locked it in. Then I'm just going to take witch hazel once again with my Q-tip and clean inside my ear. Do not want any infections. I've had this piercing forever, so I just like to make sure I keep them clean. And once it's all clean, and once I'm done with that, it's all clean, and I am ready to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, comment, and like if you'd like to see more. Thanks, guys. Bye.